Okay, I'm here in the bathroom. A couple days in, we've got something to show. It's not the same bathroom anymore. We're past the point of no return now. So let me take you through and we'll talk about the demolition and what the plan is. As I stated in part one of the bathroom renovation, there was no wall against the foundation. The surround was just glued to the foundation, okay? There was no insulation there. They had just painted on the foundation. And so there's my wall. It's framed in. Now it can be insulated. And the bathroom's a little bit wider than 5 feet. So the tub is 5 feet. And so then what I did is I framed a wall at 5 feet, 5 foot 1/8, so my tub will go in. And then alternatively, if you have a bathroom kind of set up like this, you could cut the wall off and have a little shelf there for shampoo, but that's not what the owner wanted. She wanted the wall to go all the way up so they wouldn't have to make additional surround pieces for the tub, which I understand. Okay, now, since my wall is 4.5 inches away from where the tub used to be, so I have to move my drain over now, okay? And I had to cut the concrete right there with my little diamond blade on a grinder. Bottle of water, like this. You put the holes in the bottle of water, and you squirt it on your blade so it'll keep some of the dust down, all right? That's the cheap way to cut the concrete, so we don't have to call a special company in and pay hundreds of dollars for that little cut. Then I took my jackhammer and I busted all that concrete out. Now, that was improperly done because you're not supposed to put concrete over your bathroom drain like that one was, okay? You can see this is the old part of the drain, all right? And there was concrete all the way around it. And that's not necessary because you need to leave a hole there and your tub's gonna go over that, okay? So, and plus, when I put my P-trap down, it's gonna go down further, just like a P-trap does, and curve up. So I have to dig that down. All right, let's show you the inside of this pipe. See how much garbage there is over the years accumulated? And so, you can see all that garbage in there. Well, before I hook up the new P-trap and the new plumbing, I'm gonna take my new little handy dandy power spin drain cleaner drill attachment, and it's actually the one down here. And I'm gonna run it through there. I don't have very far to go. It's probably 2 feet. I just don't want to hook the new plumbing up to a drain that has a bunch of garbage in it. Okay, so that's what that's for. Now, here's a little life hack for you. There's no tank on the toilet. Well, why is it in here? And there's no wax ring. Well, if you have a concrete floor like this and you don't mind a few little drips of water and pee getting on your floor, you could still use your toilet. Life hack. Well, how you flush it is you fill the bucket up and you dump the water down, and that'll flush your toilet for you, okay? So that'll keep you from squatting over the hole in case you need to use the bathroom while you're doing your renovation project. All right, so I got the lines capped off because I'm going to reconfigure all the plumbing, and I'm going to put the sweat fittings on and then put the other fitting, which is going to be the expansion style, and I'll show you those later because I don't know all the name and everything for those fittings. I have them, but I'm just showing you right now what it looks like during a demolition. Okay, this is a basement bathroom. We got the little floor drain right here. She wanted to put a vanity there, but I said, it's not going to work because the vanity is going to be over the floor drain, and we don't want to lose the floor drain, so she's going to switch to a pedestal sink. Okay. And then on the other side of the wall, it's the washing room, so I'm going to put one of those nice aux boxes in. I'm trying to figure out, it's just the water lines, for the water lines and the drain. You'll see it when I make the next video, okay? But I just wanted you to look at the war zone in here, and got a little temporary work light. And if you're going to do something like this, so you want to have your electricity live while you're working in here, make sure you put your electrical tape around the stuff so that your kids don't get shocked and things like that, okay? And we're going to put a exhaust fan up there. We're going to move the heating back, so that way when you turn the heating on, it doesn't blow out all through the exhaust fan, because I want to go in that one right there, because in that one on the outside of the house there's a air conditioning condenser, and I don't want to be crawling all over that to make my hole in the rim joist. And so that's just old telephone lines, and they're abandoned, so I can cut those out. And just a lot of neat stuff down here. This cast iron, how I cut through that cast iron was with my Sawzall, and it took forever. I didn't have a diamond blade for my Sawzall. The other one, the galvanized, it wasn't too bad. I just cut through it, but I'm going to put the correct fittings on to transition from that to the ABS. So the next video I make down here, you'll see. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 3. Have a good day.